Maraming nag-close na mga businesses, ganyan. So, si Book City tumayo talaga ng stronger nung pandemic. Hi, I'm Kat from Book City. Book City is an in-home learning materials that provide interactive learning materials for kids.
What is the biggest thing you've sacrificed for your business?
The biggest thing that I sacrifice dito sa business and sa work ko na rin, yung time. Kasi maraming kinain na oras, maraming mga na-missed na mga occasions, celebrations sa family. No regrets naman kasi malaki din natutulong sa Book City kahit na gano'n.
What is one thing that you feel very proud of your business?
One thing na very proud ako, and yeah, si Book City din, is yun, marami kaming natulungan talaga. Lalo na nung pandemic, nakasurvive din yung Book City actually. Di ba nung pandemic, maraming nag-close na mga businesses, ganyan. So, si Book City tumayo talaga ng stronger nung pandemic.
What's a mistake that you see other businesses do all the time?
Siguro yung mas nagfo-focus lang din sila sa, katulad ng sabi din ng iba, sa sales. So, for us, lalo na sa BNI, so, mas maganda yung makapag-build ka talaga ng strong relationship sa mga clients para yun din yung magbibigay sa'yo ng mga future referrals din na mas magaganda pa.
If a business wants to know more about their data, what should they do?
Oh, they should follow Story Seller System because they organize your data and they help you grow.